Elevate your flooring prep projects to a new level of performance and safety with Quik Top FR, the fiber-reinforced self-leveling underlaminate that's revolutionizing the industry. This advanced product is not only installer-friendly, but also UL fire-rated classified and specified for use in over 135 assemblies, making it a top choice for safety-conscious professionals. What sets Quik Top FR apart is its unique fiber-reinforced composition. It provides a smooth surface with enhanced impact resistance and load distribution, ensuring a resilient and long-lasting foundation for your floors. This underlayment also excels at crack resistance, impeding crack propagation and preserving the integrity of your flooring. With no need for mechanical preparation in most applications, Quik Top FR saves you valuable time and effort. Each 50-pound bag covers approximately 21 square feet at a 1/4 inch thickness. Upgrade your flooring prep endeavors with Quik Top FR, the ultimate choice for quality, safety, and resilience. Perfect for a wide range of application, it's your key to achieving professional results every time.